How to fix verification code not received problem on Twitter. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I will guide you on how you can fix verification code not received problem on Twitter, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to fix verification code not received problem on Twitter, then all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all open the Twitter application. Let's say you're not receiving verification code from Twitter or anything else as such, then what you want to do in that case is just go ahead and first of all, the problem could be with the Twitter app. Long press on the Twitter app icon, tap the I button here that you see. Once you tap the I button, scroll down, go to the option called storage, then clear cache, and also make sure to clear the data. Once you clear the cache files and data, that should definitely help you solve your problem in most cases after you open and retry it. Or sometimes it could be that you're in a place where the cellular tower or network is not properly available, so just make sure you're in a place where it supports proper internet or your network tower connection. Last but not the least, the problem could be with the messages app that you're using, so just try to double check your messaging app whether they're working fine or not. Try to update the messaging app as well, or if not, then just try to send messages from other people and receive it over here to see if you receive the message. Or an alternative solution for you is to simply use the other messages application. One of my personal favorites is Google Messages. You can try to install Google Messages to see if you get any sort of problem, but do not forget to set this as a default one before you try to receive any sort of code. And this is simply how you can go ahead and then fix Twitter verification code not receiving problem. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.